Wondering if your inverter, battery, or meter works with the SwitchDin Droplet? In this video, I'll show you how to use our new Device Compatibility Matrix to confirm your device is supported within seconds. The Device Compatibility Matrix lives in our Support Hub within the article What Inverters and Meters are Compatible with the SwitchDin Droplet. The link to this article is in the description. This page lists every device supported by the Droplet, broken down by Droplet software version. To use it, first select your Droplet software version from this drop-down. This is an important step as a device added in a newer release won't show up if you're running an older firmware. If you're not sure what version your Droplet is on, you can check this very easily in StormCloud by navigating to Equipment, then under the Devices section, you can see the software version is listed here. For a new installation, however, the Droplet will already be updated to the latest software. Now it's time to find your device. Use the search box to filter by manufacturer, say Fronius, or by model, like Simo Gen 24. As you type, the table pulls live data, so what you see on this page is the source of truth for what's supported at any given time. Model variants matter, so ensure it matches directly. Once you've found your device, look at the connection column. This tells you the supported connection method. For example, Modbus TCP, which runs over your network through Ethernet, or Modbus RTU, which is a serial connection wired directly to the Droplet's RS485 port. If both options are visible, we do suggest an Ethernet TCP connection, as it is often easier for installers to set up. Can't find your device? This means that it is not yet supported in our latest software version. We are continually working to integrate with new devices, so to register your interest in a device integration, follow the link in the article and provide us with the manufacturer, exact model, datasheet and Modbus map. Our engineering team will assess your request. However, please note that this form does not guarantee integration, and if the request is approved, it may be a period of months before the integration is complete, due to the thorough testing we perform. Make sure to bookmark this page, linked in the description, to confirm the compatibility of all devices, and check it regularly for the latest integrations, as well as before every install. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to the SwitchDin support channel for more how-to videos.